Good morning, everyone. This is Doug Campbell with your Right Way Options morning market preparation video for June 12th, 2017. Well, my goodness, we had quite a day on Friday with a ugly whipsaw in the price action. Let's examine this just a little bit closer. You know, I've been talking about the potential of whipsaws while we're up here around these market highs for some time. But Friday turned out to be really nasty the way it played out. Everyone kind of got lulled to sleep in the morning with a really nice move. Everything seemed to be bullish and kind of all systems were go. It looked like we were breaking out and just going to go higher. And then all of a sudden, we just really started unraveling, and we unraveled really quickly. I'm sure a lot of folks are left, holding the bag, counting up losses. Right when they were looking at, the potential of counting up gains, just, a few minutes or a couple hours earlier. So this price action move yesterday was pretty darn ugly. Now, we recovered substantially at the end of the day, creating yet another whipsaw. So we whipped down and then ended up whipping back up as the day went, as we moved toward the close. If you take a look at volume, we had a sudden spike in volume as a result of that kind of price action. Now, that leaves us kind of questioning what happens next. And I wish I could tell you, I wish I could say, all is all, sound the all clear, but to be honest, to me, warning lights are flashing all over the place, and caution is something that I want to approach today with until I get some kind of bead on this price action and what's actually going to come out of it. Now, it is positive that we held this price support of this box breakout. But this morning, we're looking at futures pointing to a lower open, only down 33 points, nothing dramatic, but certainly some concern. And I don't want to be chasing into anything until I get some kind of an idea what this price action is going to work out to. So let's take a quick look at the SPY. Didn't recover nearly like the diamonds did, and left us with this really nasty looking candle. But we finished the day kind of stuck here in this price box. This morning, however, it looks like we are going to be breaking down, and this little consolidation, it simply may just be giving it up, and we could turn lower here. I don't know. I just know I have to approach this with some caution. So I will be managing my current positions, and actually on Friday, I was forced to close a couple positions just to preserve small profits before they turned into losses. And I did add some put protection on the SPY. I picked up a couple of puts on the SPY just to kind of hedge a couple of trades. So I'm pretty light in my account, and I'm going to stay that way probably this morning until or unless I see something really change this overall look and feel of the market. The IWM powered through, made new highs, but which was just awesome. It looked like we were finally going to get all four indexes moving in the same direction. And then it ends the day with this ugly, it's not quite a gravestone doji. It is a shooting star pattern at a top, which is not good. Now, anytime you see a shooting star, it requires a follow through. This candle pattern is only good for the day, really, and it requires follow through. Well, so far this morning, follow through looks to be lower, but I won't get too concerned about it unless this ends up turning into some kind of a ugly dark candle that breaks back down through support. Then I'm going to have a price pattern that is going to make me pretty nervous about IWM, at least for the short term. Okay, so we'll have to wait and see how that comes out. Now the Qs, well, there's just no question in the Qs. The Qs gave it up, and they gave it up in a really big way, and they're giving it up yet this morning. All of a sudden, I guess everyone decided it was time to get out of the tech sector. And if you look in here, that volume spike right there should tell you a lot about just massive concern all of a sudden showed up in the Qs. So be really careful here. And if the Qs has been the leader of the market. If the Qs is giving that up completely, which it looks like it is, there will be some damage done today. Could possibly be a rotation out of these tech sector stocks into something else. So watch yourself, be careful, be cautious, and proceed with extreme caution. Now, I ended up holding this WDC trade, which turned out to be, great. I closed the day on WDC, and by the way, this is a morphed trade. It was once a long trade. We took a small profit on that, turned it into a bearish credit spread, and that trade, let's see, at the close of the day was up 97%. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to hold this. This only has now a week to expiration, and if the market stays like this, I'm in really good shape. You can see it's gapping even further lower. I don't think I even have to worry about closing this, and I'll just take 100% gain on this trade. Now, do not chase this trade, okay? If you're watching this video for the first time or watching anything about Right Way Options for the first time, do not follow trades long after they have been placed, okay? That's not a smart thing to do. So just proceed today with some caution. Put your hands, in your pockets and leave them there for a while. Watch this price action. Don't race around, don't chase. Watch with the eye of a business person. What is going on here at the market? Don't put emotion into it. Just evaluate it based on business. Is this a wise time to be chasing into a stock? And my suggestion is absolutely not. Particularly if you're a new trader or a struggling trader, this is the time for you to be standing on the sideline, watching and waiting, making sure that if you do decide to get in, that you're getting in correctly. Right now, that doesn't seem to be in the cards, at least for this morning. Okay, that could all change with these crazy whipsaws that are going on, but be very, very careful. Okay, it's the kind of market that can just chop you to pieces. So, having said all that, hey folks, if this is the first time you've ever seen this morning market preparation video from Right Way Options, please do me a favor. Click that subscribe button, and you will receive this information every single day the market is open. And if you're watching this on Facebook, if you could do me a favor and click that follow button and also the like button on both YouTube and Facebook, push that like button so that it helps other people find this content. I do this every single day, and it's something that I like to do for myself, but I share it with everyone, and I hope everyone finds it useful. Okay, everyone, have a great day. Right Way Options members, we will be normal time today. Everyone take care, and I will talk to you all soon.